Life moves fast. We cook to stay in control of what we eat and love to keep our meals fresh and interesting. But hunting down recipes gets exhausting, and gathering the required seasonings can be a pain. So often, we fall back on making the same old, or worse. Wouldn't it feel great if your spice rack got you organized and prepared quickly and helped you put inspired, great-tasting meals on the table with confidence and ease? Introducing CheffCaddy, a reinvention of the way we store and use seasonings. Hi, I'm Casey, a home cook and busy working dad. A few years back, I developed a system for making 15 meals in 2 hours and taught it to more than 1,000 people here in Los Angeles. Key to the system is grouping your spices by cuisine and adding a cheat sheet of related seasonings. My students loved the idea, but wanted a spice rack to organize it for them. Now, dozens of iterations later, I'm proud to introduce CheffCaddy. When it's time to cook, grab the base unit, which contains salt, pepper, onion, garlic, and a cooking oil. 5 seasonings that play across all cuisines worldwide. Then connect a Cuisine Caddy with a built-in cheat sheet for an instant seasoning station. Whether you're whipping up a quick dinner, entertaining, hosting a barbecue, or getting your meal prep done, CheffCaddy will keep you organized and prepared so you can feel confident and adventurous with your cooking. Our magnet label system lets you choose from 15 popular flavor profiles or write your own go-to combinations. And the modular design lets you configure them how you like. Hidden magnets ensure they always line up beautifully. And mounting plates let you keep your caddies handy with your counters clear. I truly believe CheffCaddy will do more than simply organize your spices better. It'll help you cook faster, easier, more confidently, and with greater variety. I've poured my heart and soul into this and engaged with hundreds of home cooks to get every detail just right. Now I need your help to take the final step and get this product into your hands. Please back this project and bring a world of flavor into your kitchen.